Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. On 15th of June, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price line of Bitcoin Cash can complete the final leg of a very big bullish shark move. And at that time, the price line was moving above the buying zone of a very big bullish shark. And let me show you this pattern. And I also shared this pattern in my previous video as well. This was the video when I told you guys that the price line can complete the final leg of the bullish shark, and after that we can expect a very big bullish reversal move from the buying zone or the potential reversal zone of this big bullish shark. This was a pattern, and you can see that the price line was having very strong support of 50 simple moving average, and I told you that if this 50 simple moving average will be broken down and the price line can break down this 50 simple moving average because all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish shark. And after breaking down the 50 simple moving average, when the price line will complete this final leg of the bullish shark, we will have a very strong support of this 100 simple moving average in the buying zone. Therefore, we can use the 100 simple moving average as a stop loss in order to minimize the loss ratio. And with the passage of time, this 100 simple moving average will be also moved towards the upside, and the loss ratio will be decreased. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action has broken down the 50 weekly simple moving average, and even it has rallied up to 100 simple moving average. Use this 100 simple moving average as a support, and now it is moving sideways in this buying zone. Now let's move to the live chart, and here on the live daily time frame chart, the price line is moving in this down channel, and now we can see that for last 10 or 11 days, the price action is moving at the resistance and trying to break out this resistance of the down channel. Let me count the candlesticks for you. This is one, sorry, not this one. This is 1, 2, 3. This green one, the smaller one, is third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 candlesticks are moving at the resistance of this down channel and trying to break out. Every candlestick is trying to break out this resistance of this down channel, and the more the candlesticks will try to break out the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. And we can see that we have less touches at the support of this down channel. We can see that the price action has been trying to break down here and here and here as well, but we have so many touches at the resistance for the breakout. Therefore, it is possible that the price line will soon break out the resistance of this down channel. Now, for example, if the price action will be rejected by this resistance, then what can happen? Let me just show you some support and resistance levels, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and I'm just going to show you the weekly, the long-term support and resistance. Like we have this 200 price level support here, and at this time the price line is moving between 400 to 600 price level support. And we also have, if I zoom the chart out, then you can see that we also have the 150 simple moving averages breaking as a very strong support. So far the 50 simple moving average is still not broken down, even though we had a very long spike up to this 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, but so far it is not broken down. 50 simple moving average support is still there, and then we have the 100 simple moving average almost at the same level, where we have this $400 price level support. And then we have the $600 price level support. This $400 support is very important because previously, you can see, it has been breaking as a strong resistance here. It has been breaking as a support here. And then after this, it has been breaking as a resistance here and here as well and here as well. And then the price action, now it is breaking as a support. You can see when we had a very drastic drop, the price action has a little bounce by this 400 simple moving average, 400 price level support. And then we have this 600 resistance level, that is also strong resistance. You can see previously it has been breaking at a resistance here, as a support here, and as a support here as well. Then we have the resistance at $750, and then we have the $1,000 resistance level that will be a very strong psychological resistance as well. And after 1,000, you can see from 1,000 to $1,600 we don't have any significant resistance, and then the next resistance will be at $1,800, and then we have at $2,200, and our final resistance will be after $3,000, that is at $4,000, and that is approximately the previous highest price ever. That was $4,290 as per the Coinbase exchange. Now let's move to this chart back. This is a very big bullish shark pattern that has been now completed, and you can see that the buying zone of this bullish shark is quite wide. Therefore, I suggested to use the 100 simple moving average as a stop loss, because the buying zone of this bullish shark, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, starts from $530 and goes to $340. Now the sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark, can be from $789 to $1,265. However, after such a big bullish reversal pattern, I'm expecting that the price line can even break out the recent highest price that the Bitcoin Cash has achieved so far. That is approximately during this month so far, during this bull run, was approximately $1,600, and it can try to break out this $1,600 resistance, and then it can go for the next resistance levels to break them out, which are at $1,800, $2,200, $3,000, and the final resistance will be at $4,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You will also find them. Take care. Goodbye.